In this video I am going to show you how you can extend background of an image in a manner that if you have an image with vertical orientation, you can easily convert it into a landscape-oriented image. So, without any further delay, let's quickly start the tutorial. Extending background of an image will make use of the AI-generated content-aware tools. You usually will find content-aware in Spot Healing Brush and Fill. But in case of extending background, we are going to use two methods. First method, content-aware crop. As you can see in this image, the background is uniform and monotonous. In this case, content-aware crop can be used. Select Crop tool, then select this checkbox, Content Aware. From this drop-down menu, select either width, height, resolution, or ratio. Then extend crop area according to your need. Click on this tick icon or simply press enter to confirm the crop area. As you can see, it seamlessly extended the background. Let's take another image and apply same method to it. As you can see, the background gets distorted. In case of complex background like this, content-aware crop won't work. So we have to move forward to our second method, content-aware scale. You can find content-aware scale under Edit. Click on content-aware scale. Now you just have to drag the bounding box to upscale the image. But this will scale up the image uniformly. To change the orientation of the image from portrait to landscape, without distorting the subject, you have to press Shift, and then drag the bounding box from the both sides. The point where you feel the subject is getting distorted, press enter and repeat the process. The extended part is hidden, which you have to reveal by coming back to crop and then outstretching the crop area. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch detailed Camera Raw tutorial, then you can click on this link and I will see you in my next video.